Hey guys, this is Chan from Techable. Today we're going to be reviewing the Bose QC35 Series 2 Bluetooth headphones. Let's check them out. So yeah, I've been using these AirPods almost every day for the past year. You know, I love them. They're portable, they're easy to use, they're connected to my iPhone. They're nice, convenient, and what you expect from Apple. So yeah, I love these headphones, but I was curious to see what these noise canceling Bose headphones were about. So when I picked these up, the first thing that I noticed was the build quality. The cushioning is very soft. You know, you can bend these however way you want. You know, you can tell that they're durable headphones. So yeah, I was using these headphones all day yesterday. You know, they were on my ear for maybe like 5 hours straight, and you couldn't even tell because typically in the past whenever I had over-ear headphones, they kind of bothered my ears if I had them on too long. But these, you could tell like with the cushioning and, you know, just the build quality, that you can have these on for a long amount of time. These are perfect for traveling or commuting, especially because of the build quality and the noise cancellation. When you first put these headphones on, you'll be surprised by the noise cancellation technology. Whereas the AirPods, where you put them in and you're trying to cancel out noise, you just have to turn up the volume, honestly. But with these, you know, you could have the volume pretty low and you still don't hear anything but the sound that's coming from the headphones. The sound quality on these compared to, say, the AirPods or Beats, it's a lot clearer, it's a lot more crisp, where, you know, like Beats are very bass heavy. One of the only noticeable differences between the first generation and the second generation that we have here is this new Google Assist button. So yeah, out of the box, you could tell that they were geared towards Android users mostly. But if you have an iPhone, you could simply just download the Google Assistant app from the App Store, which will allow you to use Siri. And you can also use Amazon's Alexa. What you get in the box, you get this really nice traveling case. It also comes with an auxiliary cable. A good thing about the auxiliary cable is that, say you're running out of battery, you could simply just plug it in, use them as regular headphones. The noise canceling won't work, but at least you can use your headphones. And the auxiliary also really comes in handy. Say you're on an airplane, you know, you could just plug it in and use them. But yeah, overall, I love these headphones. You know, they're a lot better than the Apple AirPods, you know, not even comparable, honestly. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Do you guys own these headphones? Do you guys want these headphones? Maybe you own another pair? Let us know in the comment section. Follow us on social media, and for all things tech, go to techable.com.